What's going on, guys? It's your man Ed Hayes, the wholesale coach here, back for another video. And in this video, I want to talk to you all about some must-have wholesaling tools and apps for your business. If you're out here trying to get deals consistently, you need a consistent process, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to be talking about the actual tools and apps that I use in my business and that I recommend to my clients nationwide to get out here and do some consistent deals. Now, this isn't going to be an exhaustive list, but I'm going to focus on some of the most efficient, most productive apps out here that can get you from where you are right now to where you want to be in the business if you're watching this video. And also, if you want to get like some more detailed insight into the things that I know about wholesaling, from getting the properties under contract, marketing it out, actually finding a buyer, all of the processes from point A to point Z, feel free to check out my Wholesaler University course, which is going to be linked down below. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead. Let's get into it. All right, guys, we're here in the car now. So the first app that I recommend for you all to check out if you're out here trying to get rocking and rolling wholesaling is going to be Propstream, man. It's the reason why you hear so many, people out here, so many wholesale coaches and gurus out here talking about Propstream, is because it gets the job done, y'all. 10,000 leads per month is what you'll get with Propstream. I highly recommend it. Y'all check it out. There is a link in the description below that you can grab Propstream for yourself. You can get a 7-day free trial. It's going to make the process of getting, analyzing, getting comps for these properties, finding out who the owners are, everything that you need to do with your business is going to be a lot smoother once you've got Propstream and you get up to 10,000 leads per month. You can pull motivated seller leads and cash buyer leads from Propstream. Like I said, check it out with the link in the description down below. You can't really beat it. And I almost forgot to mention, Propstream also has a mobile app, so you can use the Propstream mobile app to go out and do some driving for dollars. So you can ride around your community and you can save these properties that you see that are vacant, and you can market to them, get comps right there and everything. So it really makes the process of wholesaling really simple. All right, so the next tool that I recommend that y'all grab is going to be a skip tracing service. And the skip tracing service that I use is called Reach. And so if you don't know what skip tracing is pretty much being able to get the contact information for sellers that you're trying to reach out to. Whether it's a buyer, a seller, you see this property, you need to be able to get that person's phone number. Allows you to get up to 15,000 skip traces for only $300 per month. Now, most of these companies are out here charging like 10 to 15 cents per lead, sometimes more, for your skip tracing. So if you got Propstream, you got 10,000 leads that you can skip trace. So it's like you want to be able to skip trace all of these leads. Volume is the key. If you're just getting like a few skip traces at a time, you may want to check out just grabbing your skip tracing from Propstream. Propstream does have a skip tracing service inside. It's about 12 cents per lead now. They recently updated that price. So if you are doing volume, I highly recommend that you check out Reach. There's going to be a link or like a phone number down below that you all can use to reach out to them. Make sure that you tell them Ed Hayes, the wholesale coach, sent you. Bang, bang. We out here. All right.
A few moments later.
All right, so you got your leads. You got your skip tracing service. Now you're going to need to start making some calls to these individuals. Start contacting these sellers. The next tool that I recommend is going to be Call Tools. Call Tools. That is an automatic dialer system. And these automatic dialers work a lot better than just manually calling people. And trust me, after a while, you're not going to be wanting to just make manual phone calls. So check out Call Tools. I'm going to have a link for it down below. You could be making up to like 150 calls per hour versus just like the 50 to 60 calls that you could make if you're just manually calling these people. Actually, I almost forgot to mention that I'm actually officially partnered up with Call Tools now. So if you use the link in the description of this video for Call Tools, you can actually be able to get a little bit of a discount on that subscription. So definitely check out that Call Tools link down below. Make sure you tell them Ed Hayes, the wholesale coach, sent you. All right, now the next app that I'm going to recommend that you all check out is going to be Rei Reply. But Rei Reply allows you to be able to send automated text messages and ringless voicemail drops. And they also have a dialer inside of there as well, so you can make calls inside of there. So on autopilot, you could pretty much set up the campaign where it automatically messages people for like the next 17 days or so. So you can put your marketing on autopilot when it comes to that texting and ringless voicemail. I highly recommend that you all check out Rei Reply. Right now, they have like a lifetime beta pricing. I'm not sure how long that's going to be available, but for right now, with all of the services that Rei Reply offers, you can get it for just $49 a month. You can check out the link for it down in the description of this video, so you can check it out for yourself. I've made a couple videos on it on the channel already. If you kind of want to get a look and a feel for like, you know, what it looks like and things of that nature, feel free to check out that video. I'll probably link it up below. I'll be honest, you know, to some people it may be a little bit technical or confusing on how to actually use it, but I honestly, it's like if you're pretty tech savvy, or you know, you can pretty much, if you use apps all the time and you're already mapping columns and using Propstream, you're using other services like that or whatever, I think Rei Reply should be pretty straightforward. But you can also check out my Wholesaler University course, where I deep dive how to use all of these systems that you all hear me talking about on the YouTube channel all the time. Once you start having these conversations with sellers and buyers and things of that nature, you're gonna need to be sending out some documents, like whether it's a JV agreement to another wholesaler, a purchase and sell agreement to a seller, an assignment contract to a buyer. You're gonna need the documents, right? And you're gonna need to send those documents out. So what I recommend is grab the app Sign Now. A lot of people talk about DocuSign, but I use DocuSign for years. It's not really my favorite, to be honest with you. I prefer Sign Now. Sign Now gets the job done. It makes the process a lot easier. They have it in like grid format, so it just makes it real easy, so everything looks nice and professional, and you can send out your documents to buyers, sellers, other wholesalers, title companies, whatever it is, a lot faster versus if you're just trying to figure this stuff out on the go. You can set up some templates inside of there, so then you've already got your JV contract template, you already got the purchase and sell agreement and the assignment contract templates inside of there, and then all you need to do is just send them out to the seller, send them out to the buyer when it's actually time to rock and roll. So I highly recommend check out Sign Now so you can start sending out your documents. Now we need to market this property out to people. So the next app that I'm going to recommend to you all is grab yourself Mailchimp. Mailchimp is going to allow you to be able to email blast that property out to the 30, 40, 50 people that you have on your buyers list right now. And like once you've got them in there, now you can send out one email to everyone on your list and have that email customized for the individual receivers. So in my email, it'll say like, hey, Ed, but then the email that you get will say like, hey, John, hey, Kevin, hey, Samantha, so on and so forth, right? So, and it just makes the process a lot easier versus boom, you just got this property under contract and now you got to send 40 individual emails to actually try to market this property out to your buyers. It's just not very efficient. So I highly recommend to check out Mailchimp. They even have some free accounts. So the last app that I have for you all to check out is gonna be Asana. Real quick, little bonus tip, a free CRM that you can check out is gonna be Agile CRM. So definitely make sure that y'all look at that. It's a free CRM. You can put your leads inside of there. They have a beautiful dashboard. I just recently got an account myself. I may be doing a video on it on the channel, like a solo video on it, but just kind of consider that like a little bit of a bonus. Now, when it comes to Asana though, what I like Asana for is that it's like a project management tool. If I have a VA, if I have multiple cold callers, an acquisition manager and a disposition manager, I want to have a dashboard that all of us can communicate in, right? So Asana allows me to, have my cash buyer leads, my JV opportunities, my sellers leads, and my things to do list all inside of one dashboard. Every person I've actually spoken to, I've had a conversation, they said yes, things like that. I'm going to put those into Asana. So JV opportunities, cash buyers, sellers are all going inside of Asana, and then I'm gonna update them right there. If another wholesaler sends me like information about the property or pictures, video, whatever it is, I can put it right there inside of Asana. When it's time to market that property, I can go right there on my phone or on the computer and just be able to copy and paste that information over to a buyer when need be. So it just makes the process a lot smoother. Not to mention, if you're not tracking and analyzing and organizing your leads and what you're really doing in your business, what are we really doing, right? We want to be improving our results over time. So I also have a conversion spreadsheet, a KPI tracker that I just released recently. You all should definitely check that out. I'll link the video up above so you all can check that out. The tracking, analyzing, and organizing space is where a lot of you guys who may be doing a lot of work aren't really getting a lot of results, is because you're not actively tracking what you're doing out here. So the KPI tracker is going to track your how many calls you made, how many sellers did you speak with, how many offers did you make, how many people actually said yes, right? So these are the things that you want to be tracking on a daily basis. And if you're not tracking, how can you improve it? How can you improve what's not tracked? So make sure that you check out that conversion spreadsheet. Make sure that you download Asana. They have a free account that you can get with Asana as well. So it's not like this stuff is overly expensive. So anyway, though, guys, let me kind of just break it down for y'all one more time. So we got our leads from Propstream, right? We're going to get them skip trace using Versi and Reach if we're doing bulk, or we're going to just get some individual skips done on like REI skip or batch skip tracing, right? And then once we've got our lead skip trace, now we need to market to those individuals. So I recommend check out Call Tools, check out Rei Reply so you can start cold calling, text messaging, and ringless voicemail dropping these people right away. Now, once you've actually had some conversations with some people, you're gonna need to actually be able to send out a document, right? So I highly recommend go check out Sign Now so you can have your document signature platform ready to go. You've got templates inside of there, and you can wash, rinse, repeat over and over and over again. And then make sure that you've got a service like a Mailchimp so you can actually email those properties out to buyers or prospective individuals who may want to buy this place, right? You got to be able to send that out at a massive scale. And then lastly, you got to be tracking, analyzing, and organizing your leads so no leads are slipping through the cracks. You need to know how many people you're talking to. You need to know what every single person is in your pipeline. Do they need to be followed up with? Have you already contacted them? What is the situation, right? So, man, look, I hope that this video helps y'all, man. I'm trying to give y'all a lot of game in this one. And so, look, if this video provides some value to you, make sure that y'all hit that like button, man. Subscribe to the channel if you're brand new around here. Look, we about the top 7K. We not playing no games in 2021. We taking it to the top, baby. Let's go. So look, I want y'all to hit that subscribe button, like the video, comment down below if you found some value in this one, and share this one with other people if you think that they can get some value out of it.
Push the button. Push the goddamn button. Push the goddamn button. You heard what she said.
Lastly, man, like I told y'all, all of these things that I'm talking about up in this video, you can get a real deep dive perspective inside of my Wholesaler University course. So treat yourself, don't cheat yourself. Go ahead, check out Wholesaler University, learn all of this stuff in like a more organized, thorough manner. It's real step by step, it's real structure to really help y'all go from where you are right now to doing consistent deals out here. I'm giving y'all everything that I know about wholesaling inside of Wholesaler University. So it's up to you guys. The link will be down in the description, but feel free to check that out. Anyway, though, man, look, I hope that y'all are feeling healthy and blessed out there, man. I know I am, man. Until next time, I am out.